Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Vanguard Lascaria versus a hypothetical competitor. We'll explore their distinct investment philosophies and how they might align with your financial goals. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed decisions about where to allocate your capital. Pay close attention to the details of their expense ratios and portfolio compositions to see which one better suits your risk tolerance and desired returns. The Vanguard Lascaria Fund is designed for investors seeking steady, long-term appreciation with a focus on income. Its strategy involves a diversified portfolio of established companies, often those with a history of strong dividends. This approach helps to mitigate risk while still providing exposure to market growth. With an expense ratio around 0.08%, it offers a cost-effective way to invest in a stable segment of the market. In contrast, the global growth portfolio takes a more aggressive stance, aiming for significant capital appreciation. It diversifies across rapidly expanding sectors like emerging technologies and international markets, which can offer substantial upside potential. However, this strategy also comes with increased volatility and a higher expense ratio, typically around 0.75%. It's best suited for investors with a higher risk tolerance and a longer investment horizon. Deciding between Vanguard Lascaria and the global growth portfolio depends entirely on your individual financial situation and objectives. If you prioritize stability and lower costs, Lascaria might be a better fit. For those comfortable with higher risk in pursuit of greater returns, the global growth portfolio could be appealing. Always assess your risk tolerance and investment horizon before making a choice. For other great deals, including leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.